Hey y'all, Ashley here. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm coming on to share a little project I made using an embroidery hoop. So first off, I took out the outer ring. So you can see here I'm only actually using the inner ring of the hoop, and I also went ahead and used some acrylic paint to paint it red because I just knew that would match the color of my project a lot better. And the collection I'm playing with today is a new collection from Doodlebug. This is called Fun at the Park, and it's a Disney inspired collection. And I'm going to use it to back this hoop here. Um, so I went ahead and just traced the circle shape on that pattern paper, and this will serve as the backing. But I also want to turn this into a pocket. So I'm going to take another piece of pattern paper. I'm going to take this super cute polka dot paper, and I'm going to trace half of this out. So I'm going to make a little semicircle here and fussy cut this out as well. That will be adhered down onto the front, and then we'll have a little pocket. So you'll see me form that here in a second. And again, this is the new Disney inspired collection from Doodlebug. So I am going to make this very Disney themed. But here's my front portion of the pocket. So you can kind of see what that's going to look like here once I glue it all down together. But like I said, I want to make this very Disney themed, so I'm going to make some ears, and we'll turn this into a little mouse, little Mickey Mouse here. So to get the ear shape, I just pulled out some ribbon, and I'm going to use that to trace. I cannot freehand a circle for the life of me, so I'm going to just trace something that I think will be about the right size of what I need here. I'm going to actually trace this out 4 times instead of 2, just to give it a little extra sturdiness. So yeah, you'll see me put that together here as well in a moment. I'm just going to finish up tracing this out. I'm tracing on the back side of the paper, one, so I could see it better because it's this lighter shade. It's this white color. And 2, so I don't have to worry about erasing the pencil marks and all that later. So I've cut out the 4 circles. They look, they look good, I think, proportionally. So just kind of like eyeballing that, but I'm going to go ahead and make a little notch in these guys as well, just so it, give me more of that ear shape. So again, just kind of eyeballing it here. We'll trace this out, and then we'll cut all 4 of them. Okay, and then now it's time to start actually gluing stuff down. So I'm using my Tombow Mono Glue, liquid glue, to glue all of this together. I'm starting with the back panel here, so just adding some glue all around the hoop, and then adding that heart pattern paper. I did think about doing this black and red instead of just all red, but I just ended up, the black pattern paper that is included in this collection has some like fireworks on it and other like stars and stuff, and I just thought this red on red worked better. Making sure everything's glued down nicely there. I also, if you saw, I added a couple notches with pencil, just tracing where I would need to actually put the glue on the front. And also making sure, since that back pattern paper has hearts on it, making sure that's gonna, be straight once I put on the pocket. So making sure the hearts are correct orientation. And here I'm just adding on some stickers already, starting a little bit of embellishing before I finish off the ears. Just wanted to add a little trim. So that's from the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And then now again, I'm going to add a little bit more liquid glue and we will stick down the ears. And as I stick these down, I can kind of tell that it's, I mean, my Tombow glue is, I trust it to really adhere things down pretty well. But I just want to, again, give it a little bit more sturdiness. So I'm going to take the other 2 extra circles and back them here. So I'll add a little bit of glue directly to the back of the hoop, and then also I'll add a little bit of glue to the back of the circles in the front. So they'll kind of attach together and just, again, give it just a little bit extra sturdiness. And I wanted both of them to have the red polka dot facing front. So I made sure that that's how it looked, and that is the base. So now we get to go on to the fun part of embellishing. There are a lot of images in the ephemera pack. I wanted to pull out lots of the hearts. Just really like the idea. It's all red, and I just thought hearts too would just fit really nice. And then I wanted to give it a sentiment. Our favorite trip is what I went with. Because I've also made some tags, which I'll flip through here in a second, and the tags could be used as a mini album as well. So I just thought I'd title this Our Favorite Trip, and make sure that's stuck down really nice. And then we'll add on the little Polaroid and a bunch of the little hearts here. Some of this I'm going to just use my regular roller adhesive to attach this, but then I also used some foam tape as well on some of the hearts to give them a little bit of an extra pop. And so that will be the front of it all finished, and I will do a flip through of all the tags here. Okay, and here's everything all finished. I did pack in a bunch of little tags into the pocket, so I'll just flip through these quickly too. This is made with a little ephemera and a bunch of the other ephemera packs and stickers and stuff from the collection. And then again, this is the tag cut apart sheet, so the back of all these are blank to use as tags or even as a little mini album. So I'll just go through each one. Some of these I've got popped up on some foam, and then there's also some like dimensional little shape sprinkles. I made a little shaker tag too here. I love this little icon. The ice cream with the ears is so cute. Little balloons. A couple more here. This one I just did the sticker on top of the image just to add a little dimension, but the sticker is the same image as what was originally on the tag. Added a little shape sprinkle again here. tassels and the ticket booth. And a couple more. So as you can see, a ton fits into these, into this hoop. And yeah, I really like how this project came out. I think it's super fun. I hope you guys like seeing the process for it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.